Let's put that away, my first book of organizing. All day long, we take things out and we put things away. Everything has a home. You just have to know where it is. Where do toys go? In the bins. Where do blocks go? In the basket. Where do books go? On the bookshelf. Where do dishes go? Dirty dishes go in the sink. Clean dishes go on the shelves. Where do the crayons go? In the container. Where does trash go? In the trash cans. Where do clothes go? Dirty clothes go in the hamper. Clean clothes go in the drawer. Where do wet towels go? On the hooks. Where do toothbrushes go? In the cup. Where do stuffies go? On the bed. Good night.